Hi students, this is problem number 4. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300 meter road. So AB, the road is 300 meter in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then he turns around, about turn, understand? He turns around and jogs another 100 meter back to point C. So he returns from the point B in the opposite direction up to the point C in another 1 minute. Okay, he takes a 1 minute time. What are Joseph's average speeds? Okay, what are Joseph's average speeds and velocities of jogging from A to B and A to C? So it's a very good numerical problem. So we are going to do the problem in 2 steps. First, we will calculate the average speed and the average velocity between the points A and B. And then we will do the same for the average speed and velocity between the points A and C. So first let us take the subdivision 1. So from the point A to the point B, okay, A to B. What is the distance traveled? What is the distance traveled is equal to 300 meter. So distance traveled is equal to 300 meter and time taken, okay, the time taken for this is equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. So this is 2 minutes plus 30 seconds. 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 seconds, is it not? It is 120. So this is equal to 120 seconds plus this 30 seconds. So that this is equal to how much? 150 seconds. So the distance traveled divided by time taken will give you the speed, is it not? Therefore here the speed is equal to distance by time. So what is the distance traveled between the points A and B? It is equal to 300 meter. So this speed is equal to 300 meter divided by 150 second. So 150 second. So this must be equal to 2. So this is 2 meters per second. So the speed is equal to 2 meter per second. Have you all understood? Okay children, now when the athlete is or when Joseph is moving from A to B along a straight line path, the path is a straight line. What will be the displacement also equal to? Yes, it must be 300 meter. So displacement also is equal to, okay, displacement is equal to 300 meter. So this is also equal to 300 meter. Therefore what must be? Velocity equal to, velocity also is equal to what? This 300 meter divided by the same time 150 second. So that this is also equal to how much? This also is equal to 2 meters per second. So we have already studied that when a person moves along a straight line path, the initial and final points are joined by a straight line. The distance traveled must be equal to the displacement, and hence the speed also must be equal to what? The velocity of the person. Have you understood this? Okay. Now the second part, which is the initial point is A and the final point is C. So initially Joseph walks from A to B 300 meter and then he returns back to the point C through a distance of 100 meter. So the final position is C. Understand that? So now I will take the subdivision 2, that is from A to C. Now here the distance traveled, okay, the distance traveled is equal to 300 plus 100, okay, 300 plus 100. So this is equal to 400 meter. What is the additional time? Extra time taken for this movement from B to C is 1 minute. Already 2 minutes 30 seconds. Now additional 1 minute. So the time taken must be equal to how much? 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes is how much? 3 into 60. So this is 3 into 60 plus 30 seconds. So this is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210 seconds. Understand? 210 seconds total time. Therefore, now speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. The total distance this time is 300 plus 100 is 400. So this is equal to 300 plus 100 divided by 210 seconds. Okay. So this is equal to 400 meter. 400 meter divided by 210 second. So this is found to be equal to 1.9 meters per second. Understand? 1.9 meter per second. So what should be the velocity then equal to in this case? So in the second case now velocity is equal to this displacement by time. So this is 300 minus 100. Displacement is how much? So this is equal to 300 minus 100 divided by the time is 210 seconds only. Okay, so this is 300 minus 100 seconds meter divided by 210 second. So this is equal to 300 minus 100 is 200 divided by 210. Okay, this is in meter per second. So this is 20 by 21, less than 1, nearly equal to 0.952. Okay, meters per second. Okay, students, have you understood? So whenever you want to find the speed means you have to find the ratio of the total distance to the total time taken. And whenever you want to find the velocity of the body, in any case, find the total displacement divided by the total time. In the first case, the displacement and the distance traveled both are one and the same. And in the second case, they are different. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.